get
this
some
box?
emergency animals in.
Ooh.
Gotta try to
This
replenish
cryo pack is
after Christmas. Bill's trying to count these chubby frogs that just came in, and he's having issues.
Eric, I shipped this whole kit, by the way.
Yeah, I saw you.
Oh, there's that new Amazon tree boa, the high colored one. He's big and he looks like a leopard. That's cool. And here are the chubby frogs. They're all underneath the ground. I see one. I see one down here. It's that little bright patch. Hi. Come here. I see ya. Oh, look at you. There he is. There's one of them. Here. If I take him out, he's gonna pee on me. I know it. He's trying to dig. Trying to dig in my hand. There he is. Yeah, they try to dig down wherever they're at. He just tried to dig in my hand with his back feet. I'll put him back in. He's trying to do it again. There you go. He's gonna disappear. You watch and see. There he goes. Woo! Bye, buddy. See, that's why you never see them. They do that. Here is the new Tokay cage. There they are. These guys are stinky little suckers, aren't they? What you doing down there? You okay? He's scared. He just got put in there. There's more running around in there. I just can't find them because they are good at like hiding behind things. And then hiding back here are some Chinese water dragons. Looks like we got 3 of them in. But they're really shy right now. That one's a little stressed out. He's like solid black. So we'll have to make sure we take good care of him. Yeah. Give you some extra TLC. This one looks very handsome though. And then we got some metallic Pinktoes right here.
I do have someone coming in, but price may not.
They're so fuzzy wuzzy.
Possibly like $60.
I don't think I'll be.
What do we all got in this one?
Indonesian, look how pretty these are.
Ooh.
Yeah, but that's what happened.
How pretty are they? Oh! Don't be mad at me.
Yeah, they just got out of bed.
Ooh, we got
Looks
tailless
like
whip
a
scorpion.
Vinegaroon.
Oh yeah, Vinegaroon.
Yeah, Vinegaroon. And then curly hair.
Aw, it's cute. And then a whole bunch of Asian forest scorpions,
Yeah,
huh?
6 of those.
6? Wow. Apricot Pueblan Milksnake. Some crusty babies. Ooh, a samurai blue Pacman frogs. We should show Chelsea these. Oh, and some baby male chameleons. How cute.
This one's kind of going into shade.
These things are great. They're so pissy. Look at that.
Ah.
Yeah, they've got a little attitude.
Yeah, he'll bite you.
Now the last ones were all hiss and no bite.
Yeah. Heather, this is what you look like when I come into the office in the morning.
What is it?
It's a heather frog.
It's a heather frog? Oh, that's not nice.
That's what we're gonna start calling it now.
I look like a Pacman frog in the morning.
It's just all like.
Alright, the blue-tongued skinks went in here, but I don't know where they are. I bet you they're under the log. Or they buried themselves somewhere. Will I get bit? Oh, I will get hissed at though. I'll leave you alone. Oh my goodness. Grumpy butt. Hey, don't be grumpy. Don't be grumpy. They're worse than snakes when they hiss. You're okay. Oh, it's alright. I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay. Well, hello, little froggy. This is the samurai blue Pacman frog. One of them, anyway. The other one is hiding over there. But he looks like he's trying to get the moss off his mouth or something. You got moss all over your mouth? Yeah. And then here is our Apricot Pueblan Milksnake. Looking all pretty down there. He or she was hiding in the cave, so I flipped it. I can get a good look. It's got some really gorgeous colors. There's the baby chameleons. Hi. Hi. You're a brave little dude. There's one right above him, right there. And there's one hiding back there. Getting some nice heat from that heat bulb. This one cracks me up, man. Hi.